This drawing that I just did. All right. Take a look at that for a minute. Okay. All this shit's based around math because I'm sure that there's something that interfaces with math. Biblically, it says that or at least in the book of Enoch anyway, it says that the stars taught men how to read and write and do math and that type of stuff. Stars are demonic entities. They were angelic, but they fell. Okay, so they're the dudes that are trapped. Okay? So they taught us their language, which is math. Okay? So when we look at Xbox, this is all the same thing. I assure you this is all the same thing. The PS3, all that is pi squared 3. Pi squared 3 in the history of mathematics is the mysterious, okay, approximation of the square root of 3, used by Archimedes in his computation of pi. That's where you get it's easy as pie. You ever heard that phrase? They're not talking about eating it. They're talking about this. It's 3.14 whatever. Okay? I did this video here where this kid is pissed because his mom, notice he's got a blue vortex on his head, or a triangle, or Archimedes, whatever, and a red shirt, right? And the girl says, this party sucks, and he goes, yeah, my mom hired a mathematician. And then this girl says, yeah, she said, mom's the thing that runs this reality. Mom says, in the Matrix, Neo called it mother, the Agent Smiths, the bad guys, called it mom. Okay, so that's the computer. That's the Oracle, the black lady. Her job was to cause disruption. The guy with the beard, the architect, his job was to put things back in order. So this kid here says, Mom says the only way to improve magic is with math. And the reason for that is because you're talking about codes. And when you start changing numbers, which are symbols, you start getting a different outcome for the answer or the equation. So we see on this video that I did, I got 333 views, which we know that I didn't get 333 views. We know that it's machine head. It's the machine responding. Okay, so let's take the 333 and let's bust this down into a three-dimensional picture. If we draw it, we're going to get 3 cubed. Okay, 3 cubed. So that means you got 3 squares going this way, 3 squares going this way, and you got 3 squares going at an angle. So no matter which way you turned it, it always would look like you're looking at like a crucifix. Okay? If you turned it on edge, it would look like you were looking at an X with a square in the middle. Okay? That's what this thing is. But what is this thing? 1 second, let me just bring that up for you. Well, you know what? Let me just draw it for you. I think we got enough space here. Let's just draw it right here. We'll go here, we'll go to the square, we'll go to black. Let me just draw it right here, and you'll remember what video I did this on. Okay, there's that. And then we'll go ahead and do this. And we'll draw a line from here to here. And we'll draw a line from here to here. And then we'll draw a line straight down the middle. Actually, I'm a little off there. Okay, and then we'll draw this line coming across here. Remember that? Remember who that is? That's the gate. That's the gate, Bab-El or Babalu. Bab-Il. Or E-L and I-L are interchangeable. So all this math is because this math is going back to some type of, I don't know what kind of computer it is, but it's something that works along the same lines because our computer that we have now is a recreation of the thing that's already running this reality. And I guarantee you, CERN is a big part of this thing. Hang on a second. Okay, so here we are here, and I posted here, Amos 5:26. It says the star that you made unto yourself, the star. A star. Okay, what is a star? A star is a fallen angel. At least they are now. So the star that you made unto yourself, and what is this thing? The beast. The beast, this thing, the CERN thing. Because CERN is a German god, CERN us, CERN us, CERNOS. Okay, he's the god of the underworld. Now this is interesting, because if you go look up a bunch of biblical stuff, you're going to keep seeing this name come up. Okay? The Bible Gateway. Gateway? Okay, so what is this? This is Bib-El, right? So this word is really B-I-B-L, right? Because L-E-E-L, I-L, and A-L are all interchangeable. So what is this Bib-El Gateway? Because it's all going back to this thing over here. Okay? That's why this video got this many views, because this thing is agreeing with this. This must be its stamp of approval. Okay? Whatever. Look at this here. Barack Obama got 300 electoral. Well, we all know who he represents. Okay? I'm telling you, there's something very big going on here. There's something very matrixy about all of this stuff. Okay? I talked to a guy one time, and I'm sure the dude was a man. I'm sure of it. And I was talking about Jesus, and he was talking to me about other things. And he told me his God was a four-faced cube, or a four-faced orb. If you look at this picture right here, that's a four-faced orb, which is really just this thing. If we put a circle around it, if we just put a circle around it, what do you get? You get the old circle and the square, right? I mean, that's what he told me. He said he worships a four-faced orb. Okay, so there's something really mechanical about all of this stuff. Okay, where are, here, I'll do a shout out. Where are all the truthers at? Where are you motherfuckers? How come nobody's talking about this stuff? How come there's only a very few of us are even on this track looking for this? Because you're frauds, that's why. Or you're scared to speak up because you're afraid you'll lose your little power base you got, you pussies. Oh, there's people that know way more than I do, but you won't say it, will you? Because you're scared. I can't say it because I'm scared. And then I won't be in the club, and I won't get my discount at Sam's, or I won't get my free gas card, or whatever the fuck it is you guys get. Because 90% of YouTube isn't even real people, especially in this arena. Most of it is made up CGI, off the wall comments from machines that just chat bots. They're called chat bots. Like Aenis, remember that one? They're just chat bots. So that's why I say, you know, I've never met anybody off of this motherfucker, so I don't even know who I'm talking to. All I know is that this bird here, taking a shower, is probably the smartest thing on this page, because it's doing what it's supposed to. And he's very brightly colored.